And the top story that's coming in this morning is of this several bomb threats. These emails that have been received in schools in NCR, and the latest in Kidwai Nagar, they have received a fresh threat message. And if you remember, a few days ago, there was a juvenile who was apprehended. He was in conflict with the law for making these bomb threats to schools in Noida. Now, sources in the police have suggested that this student who was arrested a few days ago wanted exams to be cancelled. What more do we know? On your screens are pictures of the kind of search operations and the sanitation process that's underway in these schools. What we also know is that these threats, there's an officer in the East Delhi district who has said that officials of one international school in Delhi's Mayur Vihar Phase 1 informed the police at around 6:40 this morning that they had received an email with regards to bomb on the premises. Now, there are teams that are checking the premises. Now, there's a prominent college also in the national capital, along with another school in Delhi, which received these bomb threats over email. Police has deployed explosive disposal units and a dog squad to in fact comb the premises, and that's what is happening at this point of time. We have Pradeep Datta and Isha joining us. I want to go across to Pradeep. Pradeep, if you remember, in the run-up to the elections in Delhi, there was a press conference that was held by top officials of the Delhi police, where they said that they have managed to crack this case with regards to hoax, threats and emails. There was an NGO link that was being probed. The cops had also mentioned back then that they're also probing if there is any link to a political party. And now, 24 hours to go for result day in the capital, such hoax threats have been made once again. Take us through the latest update. What has the police said with regards to these emails that have been received by schools in both Noida and in the capital?
Yes, you're absolutely right. Once again, there is a scare and atmosphere of scare here in Delhi region. The two schools, as well as St. Stephen's College, they have received the bomb threat via email. And right now, I'm standing outside the gate of the St. Stephen's College. You can see the Delhi police vehicle is already there because bomb disposal squad has been here to investigate and also to neutralize any kind of a potential threat here. And the police party is also inside. Dog squad has also come inside, and they are trying to scan each and every inch of that area. Once again, the modus operandi remains the similar. At about 7:40 a.m., they received email, and after that, immediately the police rushed to the spot. The parents in the two schools, one in the Mayur Vihar as well as in the Noida, they were immediately informed after that, and they were asked to keep their students at their home so that for security reasons nobody should come to school. Those who had boarded their buses, they were also sent back home. There are some people outside. You're the student of this school. You can see many of the students right now. Let me show you. They are standing outside here. Some of them are here in the campus lawns here. Also, let me interact with some of the students. What really happened? What time you got to know about this threat?
I just got to know about it in the morning when I was coming to college, around 8:30 I think, 8:30 a.m. that a bomb threat has been received by the college, and the threat says, according to the sources, that the bomb will explode at 1:30 p.m. So of course there has been a situation of chaos. I don't know what will happen next, but yeah,
all of you had been asked to stay out?
Yeah, everyone has been asked to stay out, and apparently when these scholars came here, so they, after waiting for 1 or 2 hours, they had to eventually go back. So I don't know. The teachers are also waiting outside, but then they also went back.
So I had been interacting with the students here, so it prompted evacuation. Immediately after that, the students were asked to move out of their classrooms. Some of them are standing inside the lawns, and many of them are right now outside the St. Stephen's College. So they will be going back home because
prominent colleges in the national capital. And Pradeep, we should also, sound a word of caution here. Right now, there are agencies that are on the ground that are doing their job. Students and teachers should not panic, and there should not be any kind of rumor mongering around what is happening. There are officials who are on the spot. The entire premises has, at this point of time, as Pradeep has been getting us voices and live report, he's indicating that the premises, currently there's a sanitization that's underway. Let me go across to Isha. Isha, do you have inputs on the number of colleges and schools that received these threats? Because when it comes to these prominent colleges in the national capital, one of the, as per officials, there was a mail that was received at around 7:42 in the morning. Dog squads are on the ground. They're checking the entire premises. What more do you know?
Sagarika, today, to answer your question, two schools in the Noida area and when one college, St. Stephen's, has received a threat, and like Pradeep was pointing out, there are bomb disposal squads on the spot as well. Currently, we are reporting from Alcon International School. This is in Mayur Vihar, and according to our sources, around 6:40 a.m. in the morning, the principal received a call, and then henceforth the police was alerted, and then this entire area was checked, and any student who had reached was sent back, and then the parents were also cautioned. But Sagarika, on the ground at the moment, there is nothing to panic here. The authorities have also stated that they have not found anything suspicious. In fact, there is no barricading that has taken place. Everything is absolutely normal on spot. There is nothing to panic, Sagarika, but definitely the fact that these emails are coming in is raising a question. Back to you.
Quick update, Isha, like Isha has been pointing out, and this is the live update that we are bringing for our viewers, is that when it comes to the threat that was received by a prominent school in Delhi's Mayur Vihar area, sanitization process was underway. Officials have now gone ahead and said that they checked the premises, and as of now they found nothing suspicious. So preliminary investigation goes on to show that this possibly was another instance of a hoax threat via email. Isha, one more question. Right now, officials have said they've sanitized the area. Dog squads carried out their, search and combing operations. Have students been sent back home? Are classes going to resume, or is our school authorities, along with the police, carrying out some more checks when it comes to the safety of the entire premises of the school?
Sagarika, it's not been many hours since the call came in, and in fact, to give our viewers a little bit more context, when several other threats were issued in the past as well, it is a general protocol for the schools to shut the school down for that day. So today, the entire school will remain shut, and classes will not resume today, is what we're finding out.
Right.
In fact, it is being stated that it is all safe, it is all fine, but no classes today.
So everything is safe. That's the official version that's coming in from this school. Pradeep, I also want you to stay with us, because our colleague Abhishek was also on the ground, and he was there at that point of time when the threat was received via email. What was the situation an hour ago? Let's take a look.
दिल्ली एनसीआर के कई स्कूलों में बॉम्ब थ्रेट की खबर एक बार फिर निकल के सामने आई है। कई स्कूलों को मैसेज किया गया है, बॉम्ब थ्रेट की बात कही गई है। उसी में एक स्कूल है मयूर विहार का, ये एल्कॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल। ये एल्कॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल है, और इसी स्कूल को जो थ्रेट है वो आज सुबह मिला था। पेरेंट्स बच्चों को लेके आ रहे हैं। आप पहुंचे यहाँ पे, क्या जानकारी मिली आपको?
हमें बोले ऑनलाइन कराने के लिए। हाँ, ऑनलाइन होगा।
आज स्कूल बोला गया कि फिजिकली बंद है?
हाँ, बंद है।
अच्छा, और कोई जानकारी सुबह आप लोग को दी गई थी कि ये स्कूल नहीं चलेगा?
ये जानकारी तो नहीं था हमारी।
जानकारी आपको नहीं मिली? कोई मैसेज वगैरह आया आप लोग?
ना।